Okay, I tried to do this on just going live and it was getting glitchy, so I'm just going to do the event. I think it's probably easier. I created one in my content club. I did a test. I'm doing a Facebook Live, and I'm going to, I'm not going to invite anybody yet. So I'm going to push save. And there, right over here, it says set up live video. So you want to, and I made it test. It's a test one. So here it is when it comes up. Now I did it this way. I tried to do a video. See, it's already connected video source. But the reason why is it's on webcam. So we want to go to streaming software. And if you notice, it goes. That's when it shows up here, you know that you're ready to go live. So you're going to come down here. You're wanting to pay attention to the streaming key. 3 things. The streaming key, the server URL, which see this, these letters, RTMPS. Those are going to be something to connect. You'll know you're in the right, doing the right thing. So you're going to copy these 2. I will show you where and how. The other thing you're going to need is your Facebook link to your group. So we're going to go over to Zoom. We're going to go to apps. We're going to make sure you connected live streaming into, and I had a deal here. You're going to add a channel. Now I've already got my groups connected, but I'm going to show you how to add a channel. You're not going to go to Facebook. This is where I think people get confused. You're going to go to custom. This is where you name your Facebook group, whatever. Yours is Makeup Over 50. So let's say we're just going to do test. Okay. So you're going to do stream key, and you're going to take this streaming key right here. You're going to copy it. You're going to go over here, and you're going to paste it. All right. And then you're going to go over here to this server URL. You're going to copy it. You're going to go over here to Zoom. Stream RTMP. Remember that I told you to pay attention to that in the link? That's where you kind of know you're doing the right thing. All right, and it's just to show you, it's right here at the end. This is the link to your group. One thing you need to make sure you have is, let's see, let's get that. Let me go back over here, sorry. Probably making you dizzy. I just didn't realize I was doing that. Okay, one thing you need to make sure the Facebook group link has, and this is what I did wrong yesterday. It did not have, it needs to have that https:// in front of the www. For some reason, mine didn't. So then you save it. And then you're going to turn it on and you're going to start streaming. That does not mean it will stream. Now I have it in here twice. It may not go. And if it doesn't, then just know that once you hit that start streaming, then it will let you know when it's ready. It will say streaming. And then you go over here and it will show that you're here. You're going to want to put, it will show you on the camera. Over here on these 3, these 2 have to be highlighted. So on this, what you're doing on the post, complete post details, you've got to put something in the post. You have to put a title. So you're going to put test, and you have to put a description. And in that process, you'll see it come over here. It usually automatically populates that it's done. Once the video source is recorded or connected right here, that will turn green. You down here, this will highlight red, and you can go live. It's not doing it now because I double up. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to remove this channel. I don't know if it's going to let me because I've started this. So when you have it in here, when it shows up, it will just show up in here. You want to click this to the toggle switch. You want to start streaming. And like I showed you, and like I said, it may not do it now, but just know this is the proper step. If you go through this and you're having a conflict, let me know. I know that it was, for some reason, sometimes it's glitchy, but my internet's super wacky right now, so it's probably not going to go through. But when it does, it will show up here, then you know you're good to go. I would practice it, and then once it's good to go, it will set all these two will be highlighted, and then it will say go live. You go down here, push that button, and this button is when really will make you live. Zoom, going into Zoom, see, yeah, it's not letting me do it because it says, no, you're being weird. So I'm going to end the Zoom, and I'm going to return. I can't turn this over. All right, so I hope that made sense. Let me know if you have any questions.